Okay, now I'm going to give, you have to tell what is missing. Okay, I'll show you some things, some puzzles. Okay, and you have to tell what is missing. If you don't understand what is this puzzle about, I'll give you a clue. Okay, those who wants a clue, you should tell, ma'am, I want a clue. Auntie, I want a clue. Like that you should say, then only I'll give a clue. Okay, so let's start with Joy. With Joy. Okay, first question. Can you see? Okay, there is a clue. There is a three puzzles are there. One puzzle is Seth. Second puzzle is Abel. And the third puzzle is something missing. What is the third puzzle? If you don't know the answer, you should ask me, Auntie, I want a clue.
Auntie, I want a clue.
Auntie, I want a clue.
You also want a clue?
I want a
Okay.
clue.
Okay, there. Look at here. Only wait.
Cain.
Hey, no, don't. Don't
Cain.
say. I said Joy. Only Joy. This is a small children's answer, no? Okay, so say these are the sons of Adam and Eve. Remember the sons of Adam and Eve? Okay, Seth, Abel, and then who is the other child of Adam? There are Adam and Eve. Joy, what are the two children of Adam and Eve? You forgot? Cain? Okay, very good. So answer is Cain. Okay, next. Next question is for big children. Don't answer, only the person I asked should answer, okay? Unless minus point. Okay, next is for Shalom. If you want a clue, you should tell me what is it. There is a gold, there's a frankincense, and there's one more thing.
Silver.
No.
Auntie, clue.
Clue. These are the gifts of Maggie. Remember the Maggie you gave 3 gifts when they went to see Jesus. One is gold, one is frankincense, and
Auntie, can I tell?
okay, tell.
Bronze.
Bronze.
Yes.
Anybody else have any answer? I don't know, different Bible, it's different answer, I don't know. Okay, mirror. Okay, mirror, frankincense, and gold. Okay. Next question for AB. Where is AB? He went?
Auntie is here.
Okay, AB. Very good. Martha, Mary, they lived in Bethany. 3 people who lived in Bethany are Mary, Martha, and Lazarus. Okay, next question for big children, Aksa. No need of. Okay, not Aksa, big children. Let's go for Bennett. Okay. Don't tell anybody, don't say white, black, pale, and there's one more color. Anybody wants a clue should tell me. White, black, pale, and
Auntie, clue.
Auntie, clue.
okay, I'll give the clue, but nobody should answer, only Bennett will answer.
Auntie.
They are the color of horses in the Revelation 6. Okay, there's one more color. There was a white horse, there was a black horse, there was a pale horse, and a yellow horse. There's no yellow and brown. Anybody knows? Okay, Shalom, say. Why you raised your hand then?
Red.
Yes, red horse. Okay, red horse. Next, small children. We'll go with Aaron. Shadrach. Something is missing. Abednego. Shadrach. Then, who's the other person? I can't hear.
Auntie, I know.
Wait, no, only Aaron.
Auntie, I know.
What is it? Meshach. What are they? They're put in the burning furnace. So, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Next, big children. We have Aksa. Lee, Bilha, Silpa, and one more person. If you want a clue, you should tell.
Clue. Clue.
Okay. They are Jacob's wives. Jacob had 4 wives. Bas. Okay, let's see. Where's Aksa? Where I can't see Aksa. Okay, Aksa, tell me who's the wife of
Auntie,
Jacob.
I know.
Okay, wait.
I
Aksa.
also know, I think. Rachel.
Yes.
Rachel.
Yes, Rachel. Very good. Next, small children, Evelyn.
Rebecca.
Okay. Don't tell. Ask, seek, and ask, seek, and there's one more thing. Anybody remember?
Auntie Clue.
Clue. It is in Matthew chapter 7, verse 7, but don't look.
Ma'am, I know.
5 or so, no? Eh? Anybody knows? Okay, Joel, say.
And
Huh?
knock.
Yes, ask, seek, and knock.
Knock.
Okay, big children. Who is big? Janet. Daniel, Jeremiah, Ezekiel.
Auntie, I know. Auntie, I know.
Who's I know? Wait, Hefsio. Okay, Hefsi, say.
Isaiah.
Okay, without clue, you said major prophets. Isaiah. Very good. Next, small children. Tabitha. Mark, Luke, John. What? No, wait. Before reading itself, you want clue? Mark, Luke, John.
Matthew.
Yes, Matthew. They are the 4 Gospels. That is Matthew. Next. Big children, Hefsi. Oh, you have so much to answer. Naphtali, Dan, Zebulun, Joseph, Issachar, Benjamin, Reuben. Fill all the puzzles.
Auntie Clue.
Simon, Gad.
They are sons of Jacob. Sharon, you know?
Asher.
Okay. That is already there.
Simon.
Hmm.
Gad.
I think so. You all learned all this, no?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Gad.
Finished? Okay, let's start. Simeon, then Asher,
Gad.
Gad, then Judah,
Reuben.
and Levi. Okay, small children, Mini. Goodness, gentleness, love, patience, joy.
Hope.
Hope. Clue. Fruits of the Spirit. Start. Small children. Fruits of the Spirit. Say. You should be knowing by now.
Self-control.
Okay, then. Aaron. Joy. Abby, you don't know? Fruits of the Spirit?
Truth.
Truth.
Kindness.
Look, FC is looking in the Bible fast.
Kindness.
Hmm. Kindness. Oh. Joy, you know? Fruits of the joy. What happened to you? I can't hear. What did Joy say? Peace. Okay.
Ma'am. Auntie, faithfulness.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Self-control, peace, faithfulness, and kindness. Very good. Next, big children. Who is left? Janet. Glory, imperishable life. If you want clue, you should tell me.
Clue.
Clue. They are the heavenly crowns. There are 5 heavenly crowns. I think so. You already learned this, no? I don't know. Janet, where she went?
Wait once.
You forgot? I saw you writing notes also on this.
Life.
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 Life already is there. Life, imperishable, glory. Anybody knows? Aksa? Shalom? FC, nobody knows. Okay. Righteousness and rejoicing. Okay. Crown of glory, crown of righteousness, crown of rejoicing, crown of life and imperishable. Now, small children, Abby, Joel or anybody. Okay, Evelyn. Can you see? One is water turns to blood, one is darkness, one is death of the firstborn, one is lice, one is frogs, one is the disease on the livestock. Fill the rest. Start. Anybody wants a okay, boils then. The plagues of Egypt. Aaron. Okay, hail then.
Pyramid.
Pyramid. In the Tabitha, where are you? Tell me the plagues of Egypt. Sharon, you know? Mm. Everybody forgot. Hail, then locust. Where's the locust? You're supposed to say that. Then
Auntie
boils.
Abby told.
Okay, very good. Boils and flies. Okay, Sharon, next for you. 2nd John, Philemon, 3rd John. If you want clue, ask me. 2nd
Clue?
John, clue. They are the books with one chapter.
Third John.
3rd John is already there. 2nd John, Philemon.
Auntie, can I tell?
Okay.
2nd John.
2nd John is written, no.
Auntie,
Jude.
can I tell?
Okay.
Jude.
Auntie, Jude.
Okay.
Obadiah.
And one more.
Obadiah.
Obadiah.
Okay, very good. Small children. Tabitha. One is rest, one is light and darkness, one is sky and water, one is okay, tell fast. What are the clues? Are the days of creation? Start. On the first day, what God created? Everybody forgot everything.
Auntie, I know.
So tell. Light and darkness.
Light and the darkness. First day. Second day is a sea. Water.
Okay, third day.
Third day. It's plants and
Okay.
plants and trees.
Fourth
Plants
day.
and trees. Birds.
Birds and fishes. Fifth day. No, fourth day, sun, moon, and stars. Fifth day, birds and fishes. And sixth day, man and animals. Okay. Now for big children. Shallow. Sin, burnt, guilt. Anybody wants clue? Tell me.
Anti-clue.
Clue.
Types of offering. Yes.
Anti-clue.
Sin offering, burnt offering, guilt offering. Then
Anti-meat offering.
meter. Yeah?
Grain offering.
Grain offering. Then
Sheep.
no sheep and all. Peace offering. Okay. Peace.
Peace.
Okay. For small children. Matthew, Peter, James, Judas, Simeon, Bartholomew. Start. Anybody wants clue?
John.
Okay. They are 12 apostles. Tell me, the 12 disciples of Jesus.
Thomas.
Joy, say, there were 12 disciples. Forgot? Thaddeus, Simon, Peter, Andrew, James, John, Philip, Thomas, Matthew, James the son of Alphaeus, Thaddeus, Simon, Judas, and Bartholomew.